Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. I'm not even sure how this video is going to turn out because as you can see, it is 5:30 p.m. and it is dark. So I'm at Walmart right now. We just had Thanksgiving the day before yesterday. It's Saturday and I didn't actually have as many leftovers as I thought I was going to have, which I'm kind of disappointed about. So I definitely need to buy a bigger turkey next year or maybe cook more ham or both. So anyway, I don't have anything special going on this week. Still trying to navigate cooking dinner for our family when my kids have swim practice 2 hours a night. So I'm going to be doing a lot of crock pot meals, but I'm going to run into Walmart and grab my groceries. And when I get home, I will show you what I got. The other thing I forgot to mention is that we're supposed to get like 10 inches of snow tomorrow. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be a madhouse in here. Okay, so I am back from Walmart. I spent around $316, but I spent a lot of that, or not a lot of it, but some of it on non-food items. Like I got Connor a shirt and I got him some snow pants. But yeah, let me show you what I got. All right, so I got a bag of baby carrots for lunches, and I got some hummus to dip that in. I got some grapes. This was like the last bag of grapes at Walmart. I'm not sure what was going on, but everything was super picked over. I got one English cucumber, a red pepper, some bananas, some cherry tomatoes. I got some green onions for a recipe and some asparagus for a vegetable side for dinner one night this week. I also got one lemon for a recipe, and then we are going to a Friendsgiving this coming weekend, and I'm going to bring mashed potatoes. So I got a 5-pound bag of russet potatoes, and then the lettuce selection was seriously lacking at Walmart today. There's a recall on romaine lettuce right now, and so everything that has romaine in it was gone. And so basically the only thing I could get was baby spinach, and then they had this like iceberg salad. They didn't even have any whole heads of iceberg or any whole heads of green leaf lettuce or anything like that. So hopefully that will be remedied soon. I got some Sabra roasted pine nut hummus. These little cups of ranch I thought would be good for lunches. These were on an Ibotta rebate, so 6 come in there, and I got $1 off of those on Ibotta. If you don't know what Ibotta is, it's a rebate app that allows you to get money back on your groceries. I always have a link in my description box if you want to sign up using my link. We'll both get $10 when you make your first purchase. I also got some Zing Zang Bloody Mary mix, that's the best kind, and then some chocolate milk for the kids. Some butter. I normally like to buy my butter at Costco, but I haven't been lately, so I just got some to hold us over. I got some half and half for coffee and some orange juice, and then there's a recipe that I have that calls for plain Greek yogurt, so I just got one of the Chobani plain yogurts. I got a container of cottage cheese. This is my favorite kind, the AE 4%, and then I also needed some cream cheese for the mashed potatoes, and this was on an Ibotta rebate as well, so it's a 2-pack of the Philadelphia cream cheese, and then I got $1 off of that. I got 18 eggs because we were totally out of eggs, and then I also got a package of sliced Munster cheese for sandwiches. I got 3 of these pepperoni and mozzarella paninos. These are a little bit pricey. They used to be $1.50, but now they're $1.82, which is, I think, is pretty pricey for these, but I got 3 of those. I got some blue cheese for a salad for myself, and then for lunch meat, I got some Oscar Mayer smoked turkey and some ham and some salami. I got 1 package of hot dogs in case I want to make pigs in a blanket. I have some crescent rolls as well. And then I had to buy ground beef because we're totally out of ground beef in the freezer, which always makes me sad, but I had a recipe that I needed that for, so I bought just 1 pound. And then this chicken was marked down. You can see that the use or freeze by date or the sell by date is today, but this one was only $1.93 for a pound of chicken, and this one was $3.12 for almost 2 pounds of chicken. So this is already seasoned. Since the sell by date is today, I'll just put it in Ziploc bags tonight and put it in the freezer, and then we'll have that for a later time when we want to use it. I got one package of buttermilk Grand's biscuits and a package of crescent rolls. Those were both 25 cents off on Ibotta. We were out of white vinegar, so I got some of that and some Frank's Red Hot too. 1 can of olives, and then for a recipe I needed a can of cream of celery and a can of cream of chicken. So I got 2 cans of that. One night I'm going to make lasagna soup, and I wanted to try and find the little mini lasagna noodles. I forget what they're called, but they didn't have them at Walmart, so I decided to get the mini farfalle. I thought that would be a good substitute. I grabbed the last bottle of sriracha that our Walmart had on the shelf because ours is expired. And then I also got Adam 1 can of the New England clam chowder soup. I got another container of mayonnaise to have in the pantry since we were out. Someone had commented on one of my videos a while back and said to try Duke's mayonnaise, and I thought that you couldn't get it in the Midwest, but I actually saw it at Walmart today, so I decided to try that. And then for the lasagna soup, I got some ricotta cheese. I just wanted a small container, and this was the smallest one I could find. I grabbed some cranberries or craisins for a salad recipe. And then one of the recipes I'm going to make is like a beef stew in the crock pot, and it calls for onion soup mix. So I just got the 4-pack of the Lipton brand, and I was also out of time, so I got a jar of that. These Velveeta breakfast biscuits, sometimes I take those to work for breakfast. I don't think I've had this kind. It's the vanilla oat, but the kids will eat these for breakfast as well, so I grabbed a box of those. And then this was also an Ibotta rebate. You could buy 3 boxes of the Near East, either the rice, couscous, or quinoa, and get $1 back. So I just got 1 plain couscous, 1 rice pilaf, and 1 package of the Parmesan couscous. I got a box of these 8 big bags of the Cheez-It snack mix for the kids to take in their lunches or for snacks for swim. And then this was also an Ibotta rebate, these Knorr Selects. I think these are new. This one is white cheddar broccoli with pasta, so I thought that the kids would like that. And then I had on my list to get tomato sauce, and I don't have any in the pantry right now. This was actually on sale, 6 cans of Hunt's tomato sauce for like $4, which is a really good price. So I just decided to buy the whole box to have in the pantry. I got 1 jar of dill relish, we're almost out of that, and a box of Triscuit crackers. Connor needed snacks for his classroom, and the teacher had requested peanut butter crackers or something like that. So I got 6 of these Austin crackers. I got 3 of the peanut butter with cheese crackers and 3 of just the plain cheese crackers. And there's 8 packages in each one. I think there's 20 kids in his class, so they'll probably get about 2.5 uses out of those. Connor wanted more waffles because he loves to have waffles with Nutella, so I grabbed a package of these. I decided to get the Nutri-Grain kind since I'm smearing them with Nutella. I thought that would be a little bit healthier. He also wanted toaster strudels, so I grabbed some of those. You like toaster strudels?
Yeah. Cranberries. Yeah.
Cranberries, yeah.
Oh my God. That's cool.
I got 2 bags of frozen veggies, 1 corn and 1 peas. I got a loaf of garlic bread for dinner one night this week, and also 1 box of Uncrustables for the kids to have as snacks. Sometimes I take these to swim, and they thaw out while they're there, and then they can have that as a snack after they're done. So I've never seen these at Walmart or at our Walmart before. These are the Jamaican style spicy beef patties. If you guys watch Gia, her channel is Marriage and Motherhood here on YouTube, and she always buys these at her Costco. I guess her husband really likes them. I've never seen them before anywhere around here. I've never seen them at our Costco or our Walmart, so I decided to get them and try those out. If you guys like these, let me know how you like them. Okay, I got 1 package of dinner rolls for dinner tomorrow. I'm going to make beef stew. I got Murphy 1 package of dog treats. Do you want to put these in his treat container, please?
Want it open?
Yeah. I got a 6-pack of Corona, some sugar-free Rockstar, some root beer for the kids. These are just like little cans, so they can use those for root beer floats. I got a 12-pack of Diet Mountain Dew, some G2 Gatorade, and then for chips this week I got the cheesy mix. These come with crunchy Cheetos, puffy Cheetos, Doritos, Sun Chips, Cheddar Lay's, and chili cheese Fritos. And then I also got Adam a package of Chewy Sprees. He likes those. I got 2 loofahs to replace the ones that are in our shower, some quart-size Ziploc bags, some Head and Shoulders shampoo, some Old Spice body wash, Gain powder, that's my favorite kind of detergent. And then I usually buy my trash bags at Costco, but I haven't been there again for a while, so I just grabbed a package from Walmart to get us through. And then I want to take some pictures of the kids for Christmas cards, so I was looking for like a collared shirt for Connor, so I ended up getting this one. It's like a plaid blue and orange. I grabbed myself some mascara because I was almost out of that. This is the Almay Thickening Mascara in Blackest Black. And then I also got some bath slime for Connor to play with in the tub. So I think that's it. The only thing I didn't show was some snow pants that I got for Connor, but he needs to try those on. So let me show you the meal plan. Okay, so tomorrow is Sunday. I am going to make Park City stew, which is actually just like a beef stew recipe in the crock pot. I'll leave a link to that original recipe down below. I've made it a lot over the years and it's really good. And then I have those rolls on the side. On Monday, I'm going to make lasagna soup with salad and garlic bread. This is the recipe that I'm using. It's from the Skinny Taste Fast and Slow cookbook, but I believe this recipe is also online, so I'll try to link it. It's the slow cooker lasagna soup, so I thought that would be good to have on Monday. On Tuesday, I have a pork tenderloin in the freezer that I actually meant to make last week and didn't get made. So I'll make that in the crock pot with noodles and peas. On Wednesday, I'm going to make some barbecue chicken breast with corn and pasta salad. Thursday, I have some tilapia in the freezer that I can saute up in a skillet with rice and green beans. Fridays, we normally go out to eat, and then Saturday, we are having Friendsgiving with some of our friends. So that is it for this week's grocery haul and meal plan. If you're interested in this Carrie L meal planner, I use the mini size, and she has these back in stock now on her website. I always have a link in my description box along with a discount code. You can use the discount code Jen Chapin for 10% off your order. But these should be back in stock now on her website, and they're totally worth it. They last for about a year, and I use them every week for my grocery list and meal plan. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.